Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you what's an issue with this all-in-one all-wheel drive switch. So what's the problem here is that when you switch to one of the motors, it only works for the front one, like this one. Actually, the rear one is the one it works fine. But once you switch to the other side to try to only work on the front one, they work both at the same time. And also in the middle here also work two at the same time. What it means is that the switch is damaged or it's defective, so you need to swap the switch here for a new one. I'm gonna do a quick fix on this one. Instead of replacing all the wire, which you're gonna need to remove the seat and remove the wire from the frame and replace the whole thing at the same time. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna remove the switch and solder a new one. This part over here. So we have this one is the new switch. But what I'm gonna do is remove just the switch itself and use the solder just to remove the piece. So you're gonna need a screwdriver, a little one, this one. So they have a little clips on the inside of here. So you just press those clips and try to push it out. As you see, this came off. So what I'm saying is to remove these three and plug it into the other one. The one is not working over there on the bike. So what I'm gonna use is this solder. I will remove one at a time so I can. So for me it's easier this way because I just remove these guys and then plug it into the old one over there. So just remember which colors are attached to it, and that's the way to do it, easier. So on the bike you're gonna need the 4 Allen wrench to remove the grip. Make sure the bike is soft. Let's remove the grip on the side. Just do a few turns and then you can hit the screw in order to release the grip. You can use a hammer. And you release the grip. Then you're gonna need a Allen wrench number 3. The bracket over here. Just release this part. So this part is a little tight over here, so just remove the spring, this grab, take it off. It's gonna allow you to give you a little bit extra room for the wire to come out. Let's do the same thing over here. Remove this cap with the screwdriver, small one. Take that off. Be careful, don't lose the screw. Then use your flathead and push it out. There you go. So you have the 3 wires here. These are a little different colors, I think. These are red, black, and white. And the one over here, it has yellow, red, and green. So I will stay with the red. The one it's still the same. I will put it together like this. So it was I will connect the same order as this. White, black, and red over here. So let's do that. So remember, you have to take this off. Now I need to get closer to the edge. From here I can reach. So let's start one at a time. Start with the white one. Then the black one over here. And then that red. So I just removed the older one. This is done. So let's put it back together. All you need to do is push it in. It clips in, right in. Then put the cap back in place. Just align the screw with the hole. Screwdriver. Put back in here. Then just to test it out, let's tighten it. Let's turn the bike on. Let's try the switch. So we use the rear one here. Oh, that's the front actually. Front only. And then we have to the left is gonna be rear only. The rear. And on the middle, it will work for both. You see the switch, it was all the problem here. So as long as you replace the switch, you can either replace with the wire all the way in the whole part, but for me it takes longer that way. So for me it was easier just to solder the cables into the new switch, and that fixed the issue for me. And that's about it.